What's going on, everyone? This is Tamil, and in today's video I want to show you how to create categories inside WordPress. So now categories are these right here that sit above the title, and honestly they just categorize all of your posts that you have on your website. So it basically just puts them in order. So these categories are really great for visitors because with just this category alone they can see all of the different blog posts that you have under this particular category. So if I click on this right here, what you will see is browsing category for this right here. This is the name of my category, and you'll see all of the posts that are under this particular category. So as you can see it right here. I've got it written right here. If I keep scrolling down, I have it right here. All of the articles that are labeled under this particular category will be on this page. So it's really good to have categories because it can save time going through all of the different blog posts or articles that you have. It really makes it easy on the visitor that's coming to your site if they want to see all of the articles that are under this particular category. So that's what this is about. So I'm going to show you how you can create these categories. Now, if you are logged inside of WordPress, you should be at your dashboard right about now. And if you're at your dashboard, what you want to do is you want to go over to the left where you see post. And as soon as you hover over post, if you scroll over, you will see categories right here. So I'm going to start here first, but there are several ways to access your categories and several ways for you to add categories. So I'm going to show you the first way right now by clicking on this. So it takes you to this page right here for categories, and you can easily add a name for any category that you want. So if you've got some blog posts that you have not added names to, or you want to create categories for them, then you can do it right here. So I'm going to create a category called online marketing because, for one, I've got quite a few blog posts and I have not been creating categories for them. So if you go to my site, you typically would see it saying uncategorized. So I definitely need to make some categories for it. So online marketing for beginners. And I am going to just keep it very simple like this because this particular category can have subcategories or parent categories. So what a parent category is are kind of like subcategories. So online marketing for beginners is a very broad topic, and you can have a ton of topics up underneath this particular category. For example, there's more than one way to market online. You can have digital marketing, you can have affiliate marketing, you can have social media marketing. So if you want to add a subcategory, for example, I can add one to this one. So a subcategory for this, like I said, could be digital marketing or affiliate marketing. It can definitely be added. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to show you the basic ones. And a subcategory, in order to do it, you would have it as a category already. Stick with this, online marketing for beginners, and I can circle back around and show you how to add this parent category. As we scroll down, once you find a name that you want, then all you have to do is hit add new category. After you hit add new category, as you can see over here to the right, you will see online marketing for beginners. And it's really just as simple as that. It's very easy, not difficult to do. It's very easy, not difficult to do. Once you do that, then you can go back to your blog post and you can start putting your blog posts in categories. So I'm going to now show you a second way that you can add categories because I want to tie this in together so that I can show you how to do the parent categories and how to assign each blog post to a category. So now all we have to do is head back over here where it says post. I'm going to go to all posts. And now that I'm in all posts, as you can see, probably as I scroll down, you'll see that quite a few of these are uncategorized, even though some of them are private. I've got a couple that are uncategorized, and it's just something that I need to work on. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to click on this one. We can do this one, which is more of a latest one. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And this particular post is digital marketing versus affiliate marketing. As you scroll down any post that you open up or any blog post you open up, you will notice over here on the right hand side, if you continue to keep scrolling, you will see an area where it says categories. At the moment, I told you I have it marked as uncategorized. So I'm going to change it and I am going to mark it as, let me find it, online marketing for beginners. And I'm going to click right here. Now you may not be able to see this. I'm going to scroll up. But I have a couple that have parent categories already, and I'm going to show you exactly how this is done. Like these two right here, those are parent categories. I'm going to show you how you can add categories from within side of a blog post. So go ahead and click on this area right here where it says add new category. And I'm going to name this one affiliate marketing. And we'll just use this as a parent category. I'm going to add it as a category, but I can also too just add this as a parent category. So I think that is what I'll do. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click enter, affiliate marketing. I'm going to go up here and find it because I hit enter. And so now it is right here, affiliate marketing. Now let's just say now that I have both of these as categories, I have affiliate marketing as a category, and I have, as I scroll down, online marketing for beginners as a category. So now all I have to do to add the parent category, which is affiliate marketing, I'm just going to click on this because it should be a drop down now. And all I have to do is go and add it right here. All I have to do is click on it. And then if I hit enter, this will be a parent category. So this is going to be the parent category for this right here, which is online marketing for beginners. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up to the top and I am going to hit update. And after I hit update, we're going to go back and we're going to see how this works. Okay, so now that we've made that change, let's go see here. We are at the categories and we want to go and check that out to make sure that that parent category was added. So I'm going to go over here to where it says post. I'm going to go down to categories and I'm going to check right here under online marketing for beginners. I'm going to click on it and here it is. Affiliate marketing populates right here under the parent categories. So now, like they said, you can use this as a hierarchy, and it says you might have a jazz category, and under that have children categories for bebop and, you know, big bands. Like you can continuously build it out and build on it. Now you can't really use this or have it show up until you start adding blog posts under this affiliate marketing. But as you can see, once I clicked on online marketing for beginners, my parent category automatically showed up, and that's how you can do that. And so this right here also acts as you can do it as like a blog post, almost like it can have a description. So if you really want to get well at keyword research and SEO, then you would make sure that this name right here is a keyword that you can actually rank for, and you also get a slug for it as well. But one of the great things about the descriptions is if your categories are spot on with SEO, they can also show up in Google. So it makes it just even easier for people to find your blog post. It just gives your website that extra oomph for SEO, and you can pretty much give all your key phrases and all of that. So it really does help if you can do your keyword research and make sure that your SEO is spot on, and you can build out these keywords just with your categories alone, and your categories can get their own ranking. So this is pretty much how you add categories to your WordPress, and your blog can really benefit from it. It makes it really easy for people to find. So now you can see right here that category shows up next to each blog post, and of course some of these are private, so they're uncategorized, but as you categorize them, you will see that they will start to show up, and you can have one blog post under several categories. So you can definitely do that. They can belong to as many as you want, as long as that particular blog post has something to do with that category. Like it has to be congruent. It has to make sense. That is pretty much it. That's how you create categories for WordPress, and I've did a lot of these, of course, right here, and this is pretty much it. All right, and if you like this video, make sure that you check out my other video, embed a YouTube video inside your WordPress blog post. And also subscribe to the channel because I'm always kicking out videos just like this on a regular basis. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.